Hello, thanks for joining me again. Today what I'm going to look at, as you've already seen the title, are some decoration pieces, not just for Christmas, they could be for Easter or for any other time of the year, or just to hang wherever you like. My wife has a glass ball that she insists hangs in front of one of the windows. It drives me around the twist, but she likes it. So people like decorations and hanging things up. I'm going to show you what I've got on the lathe here, and I've got a piece of oak. Nothing special about a piece of oak. We don't tell that to people at craft fairs, of course. Then oak is exceptionally special. But a piece of oak, and I've got it set in my pen jaws, and you look at it and think, oh my god, he's going to turn the biggest pen in the world, which I'm not. As I've said, I'm going to do a decoration. I'm not going to concentrate on the turning. As always, there's a lot of people an awful lot better at it than I am, and I don't consider myself a good enough turner to teach anyone how to turn. But that's just me. So I'm gonna create a shape, and then I'm just going to show you what we've done to adapt our keyring kits for these, and also show you why we've done that. So we'll zip on through this bit of oak and see how we get on. It is sometimes easier if I can move all this stuff out of the way and show you. Let me just adjust the camera slightly so hopefully you can see. With some of these little bits, to put a bit of sandpaper just down on a flat surface and just actually rub the piece on the surface, so you get a tiny little flat bit on the top, but that won't matter because that's actually going to help identify where the centre of this is, because now we're going to put a little hole in the centre of here. Well, you would see what I've made here looks a bit more like a garden tipper than it does a decoration of some kind, but you can obviously make up your own design, and it's quite fun just doing these things. But what I've done now is I've taken my really sharp awl and I've just marked the centre there and just punched a hole in the centre there, and I've then taken one of our little bead, we sell these as keyring sets, but we're doing these for decorations, if the camera will pick that up. This is a gold one, and it comes with that, and it comes with a little screw, and it also comes with a metre of ribbon. The gold ones come with red ribbon, and the chrome ones come with white, sort of silvery white ribbon. Now to put this on, I'm going to show you a little trick in a minute. What I'm actually going to do is just to pop the screw in first before I do anything else, and I'm using, as I've said on previous videos, a PH1 Phillips head 1 screwdriver, just to pop that in there, just to make a pilot hole, so when it comes to putting the actual bead on, I can do it nice and easily. It's gone in quite easily because I'm screwing into the end grain there, so I'm going to take that out now. Now I'm going to talk to you a little bit about some other Christmas decorations that someone else has done, and I'm going to say I am not one to criticise anyone, and if there's one thing that annoys me, I have to say, particularly on YouTube, is that people that use the thumbs down button. No, nobody's perfect, we probably all do our best, but just to put a thumbs down, frankly, is just disheartening and unnecessary, and it's not in the least bit constructive. So I am not going to criticise what I've got on this sheet, but what I am going to show you is just what's been done. Now this I got from a website. I'm not even going to tell you what it is, and there's some fantastic things there. They've turned those much better than I've just done mine. But if you can see the top there, you will see that they've got a screw-in eye and a bit of string with a knot in it, and having made those fantastic turn-ins, this is just my opinion, they ruined it by putting a cheap bit of nastiness on the top. So I'm going to show you with our kit just what the difference is. Now, as I've said before with these, the easiest way to do it is to take the screw and the screwdriver like that and feed it up through the kit. So you've got, and this is the bit where I need to look at the kit and not the cat. There we go, I've got that on there. So we have the screw poking through the kit, and we can now screw the kit onto the top like so. I haven't got to the special bit just yet. There we go. Hopefully you'll see and already see that that looks a little bit better than a screw-in eye. But the clever bit in a second is going to be with the ribbon. So what I've done with the ribbon is to tie it in a knot here. In fact, I've put a double knot on the end of there, and I've just trimmed the scrap off the end as well. Now I'm going to go to the nice end of the loop. I'm just going to pop the screwdriver on the end of it, not tight because I don't want to damage it, and I'm then going to push it up through the little hole in the top of the loop kit. And I'm trying to do this and watch the camera as well. It isn't very easy, I have to confess, and I've lost it. Come on, where are you? There we go. And I'm now going to pull that through the little hole there, and what we have hopefully is a nice neat kit. And I've actually left the ball loose on the top. If you loosen the screw off on these, you will see that you can actually get the ball to twist as well, so the decoration itself can actually spin on there, and you can hang that the right way and get it nice and neat. But we reckon that looks quite a neat little end to a decoration. I'll hold it a bit further away so you can see my what should we call it, possibly a dibber on ribbon. So I hope that's been useful, maybe give you another idea. As I said, we are selling these in packs, 4 of these and a metre of ribbon to go all together, red ribbon and gold beads and silvery white ribbon and chrome beads, which we think look quite nice together. If you have any questions, drop us an email, and safe turning. We'll see you next time. Bye bye for now.